The redesigned 2020 Ford Explorer is amazing. Hey guys, this is Lori at Gloma Springs Ford. If you want to see the full video of this Platinum model, then check out the description for the link here. Now, why don't we go with Luis as he demonstrates how this vehicle can actually park itself.
Hi, my name is Luis. I'm going to show you guys how to activate Park Assist in the brand new 2020 Explorer. So let's go ahead and start. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in drive there with our new select shift. And I'm going to go forward here, and I'm going to hit the parking button, which is right here next to your drive mode button. I'm going to hit that. Alright, so it's asking me if I want to parallel park. I do not. I want to perpendicular park in that parking spot over there to my left. I'm going to hit the perpendicular button. Now it's asking me which way do I want to, perpendicular park. Obviously I'm going to do on my left, so I'm going to hit my left blinker. Now it just switched over, so now you see it's now blue on this side, so it's telling me now to drive forward. I'm going to go ahead and do that, and in theory it will find the parking spot and it'll tell me what to do next. So it says space found, release steering wheel, and shift into neutral. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I shift into neutral, and now it says to hold my park button. So I'm going to hold my park button down. This one's in here, and I'm going to let go of the brake. So it's now going to take over the vehicle. So I'm actually not using the brake. It is using gas and brake by itself. It will be a little nerve-wracking if you've never done it before, but you gotta trust in the technology that it's gonna do its job. So I'm literally, both feet are right here. So there it goes. It's controlling everything by itself. Gas, brake, steering wheel. It tells me it's finished. So it automatically returns to park. That's how you do it. Enjoy.